is Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. Today we are at Helsinki and I think this house owner is over 80 years old. His grandchild asked my help, so of course we came to help them. I think this kitchen looks amazing and I can't wait to clean this. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this! Woo! So first we are going to collect all the trashes and after that we are doing dishes. Here I have no idea what this is, but I think it's pretty bad. And I'm gonna let it sit there like 5 minutes. So, be right back. Here I have scraper. So, let's try it. Oh yeah! Oh! Oops. It's lunchtime. I ordered us some food. Looks yummy. I'm ready. It's okay not to be okay. All right. Okay. Now we are on our halfway. Here's something. Wee! Guys, look at this. It's pretty amazing. Amazing! here's a tip. Just close this and voila! It's clean! Easy! Did you know that this brown color is coffee oil? And for that I'm using bleach. A tiny amount of that. And then scrub mommy! Here you can see it's really brown, so a little bit of usually people forget to scrub this and here. There is a lot of grease. Okay, now it has been here for a while, so let's scrub it. Ooh, look at that! Oh my god! It needed only like 2 minutes or something like that. Now it's so shiny. Okay, this needs a little more time, so now it has been here for a while, so let's try it again. Okay, it still needs time. Don't ever quit, because usually people are like, oh, it doesn't come off, I quit, I cannot do anything. They are trying new products and different kind of products, but usually it only needs time. It comes off, I promise you. Okay, a new try. I think this is the third time. Yes, it came off. So usually it's not about the product, it's about the time. You have to find the right product and give it a little bit time. Yeah, I'm clean. It's not ready yet because now I'm gonna use Power Paste. It's super duper clean. I'm loving it. We are ready. I think it was pretty easy, but really fun. I enjoy every minute of it. Did you?
Yes.
It took us about 7 hours, so not bad. Cleaning makes us so happy. I hope we helped this elderly man, so now he can live here, he can move here, he can cook something and stuff like that. So